You ready to go outside, Sam? Tighten this up a little bit. What are you doing? Margie, TV. See if I can pick you up with this. Gloves are just so darn big. Oh, hello everyone. This is Rocket Jeff, Maycheck, and Sam on a nice windy day. Oh crap, I can't see. The hood that I have on my head covers up my eyes, and it's like I couldn't see where the heck she was going. Jewel Maria. No wonder I can't find you. Oh shit, here she goes. No, I don't want to go through the swamp. Tweenie, my loves. It's so cold. Ah, Sam. No. Sam. There they go. Jeez. Sam. Hurry. You said hi to Tusk. Let's go. Don't drive the neighbors crazy. Bad enough I'm walking through a freaking swamp here. Jeez, my feet are all soaking wet. Oh, because it was pouring rain this last night and this morning. Oh, it definitely feels like winter today. It definitely feels like, oh yeah, you want to see that, right? Can you feel the wind? Wow. Well, I know it's probably colder in Minnesota, but from what they say on the weather for South Carolina, it hasn't been this cold in over a decade. No, normally I'd be cutting grass. Normally be cutting grass. How's my mouth? Well, better. My mouth is doing much better. I can go, oh, and go, la love lines. But my mouth still does hurt a little bit. Just a little. Not too much. I'm not going for a big walk, though. No. Not in this wind. Hell no. Margie TV says, hell no. We won't go. Hell no, we won't go. Hell no, we won't go. No. Oh, she's got to take another dump. Ooh. But shout out to all the new people that showed up. Shout out to Oldies TV. That's an easy one to memorize. That's cool. So, shout out to Lodi Lynn. I miss you, Lodi Lynn. Oh, shout out to Lane Adoram. I miss you too. Oh. But Merry Christmas to everyone. Our Christmas is not until Sunday. So, but today is Friday. And right now, I got up really early. It was around like 7 o'clock. Oh, see, waving to you. Oh. Isn't that nice? Oh, that's Tamio, yo. I don't want to stay out here too long because that cold air hurts my mouth. That's why I was trying to fix my mask, my hoodie. But I don't want it to cover up so much because then my glasses get fogged up. I'm sure those who have glasses know what I'm talking about. It's like you want to cover up and you want to keep warm, and then all the steam goes over your glasses. You're like, I can't see. So, but I've been sleeping downstairs. Hey, you know what, Margie? I didn't get a chance to make you a Christmas present. So what I'm gonna do, once I feel better, and I'm like, yeah, I can really go, oh, really big, I am going to sing. Oh, I don't want to go this way. They'll be out there forever. That's a good girl. They'll be out there forever running back and forth. I mean, at least you got some entertainment. What I'm going to do, Margie TV, is I'm going to sing a song to you. The song that you sang to me that always helped me go to sleep. So I'm going to do that for you. I am going to sing All That She Wants by Ace of Base for Rosalie Green Blogs. I will do that as well. I also plan on singing the song called Truly, and I'm going to dedicate that to Tweenie My Loves. The song Truly from Lionel Richie. I'm going to do that. I also want to sing some other songs from Foreigner now that I have those other CDs, because there's other music that I can sing. But, got a piece of hair in my mouth. Gross. That's cold. Winnie Bonita, that's cold. Hey, your hair looks good. Even though you cut it short, I was like, when you styled it up a little bit, I was like, wow, she looks cute. She's still beautiful. So, I just hope Tweenie My Loves can do some uploads. Even if you can't do it live, you could do a short video or something. You know, dance around or something. Go in. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, Tweenie My Loves. Can you feel that wind, Rebel Rocker? Is it windy out there in Minnesota? Sam, come. Oh, she loves the cold weather. She loves this cold breeze. She's like, oh, this is the life. I love this. Oh, it's so good. Not me. I'm going in. I'm cold. She took 2 dumps. She took a pee. She needs to go in. I want to take a shower. I want to wear my black and white striped shirt. Anybody have a black and white striped shirt? I want to wear that. It's a long sleeve. I didn't get to wear it last year, and I'm completely forgetting about it, because I think last year we actually had some warm weather. It didn't feel like winter. Today definitely feels like winter. And we're supposed to get snow. So. Sam, let's go to the back. Not that way. No. You leave Tusk alone. I don't want our neighbors going nuts because you and him are barking back and forth, playing. I know you want to play. I understand that. But the neighbors don't like that. John says, no, we don't want them barking too much. It's too early. It's a little bit after 10, like a little bit after 10:30 right now. Sam, come. For my arm freezes up on me. Sam, this is what she does to me. She's so stubborn. It's like moving a concrete block. Sam, come. Come. Tisa Channel says come. Yes, she does. Lammy Caillou TV says, come, please. Please come here. Please walk this way. Walk this way. Talk this way. She told you, walk this way. Talk this way. Give you a kiss. Yes, I was doing the Aerosmith with the Run DMC version. Anybody remember that one version? Yeah, that one's pretty cool too. Oh, I don't know what she's looking at, but I'm cold. My arms are getting tired just holding the phone like this. This was supposed to be a quick upload. It's cold. Just wanted to show you how cold it is. And my morning routine with Sam. Does your dog do this, Row TV? Does your dogs do this when you take them out? Of course, it's not cold there. It's probably warm where you are. I don't know. Does it get cold in Philippines at all? Does it get cold in Hong Kong? That's the other question. So, I know it gets cold in Taiwan because I see Margie with her winter hat on and a jacket. So I know you get cold weather there. But how cold does it get? I don't think it gets. Whoa! Watch out for the tree. Watch out for the tree. That's why I'm walking backwards. So, Sam, come. I don't want to back up into anything else. Back up. Beep, 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 beep. That's better. That's much better. Yes, I miss Dad. Yes, I miss Dad. Shout out to Jalen Kutulin channel. Shout out to Jen, the survivor. Shout out to all those who hear me. I shout out your names, but I don't think anybody ever hears me except Margie TV. So, Margie TV. That's how you do it. And Tweety my loves. Sweetie pink lover. Sweetie pink lover. Sweetie pink lover. I can sing. That means the other side of my mouth has gotten better. I still feel a little swollen there, but I'm able to open my mouth and go, oh, see, I can do it. That means the antibiotics are actually working. So, oh, no, nobody cares if I shout out. They just figured, oh, Rocket Jeff's just doing his thing. And they don't care. They're not going, oh, shut up. I'm trying to sleep here. No, actually, a lot of people are probably working at this time. So, I found out that the Walmart job was only seasonal, and I didn't want to have to I'm still going to try and get a regular job anyway, but it's like this, would you want to start a job and get really, really excited and really like it and have them turn around and say, oh, thank you for your help. Take care. Goodbye. That happened to me once. I was working at Dollar Tree, and I was really, really, really enjoying working there. I mean, this place was awesome. And I had so much fun working there, and the people were great to me. And right around Christmas time, I got a card, and it said, thank you for your service. Much appreciated. Happy holidays. Take care. Goodbye. And I'm like, what? And I started crying. I'm like, what's going on? I said, am I fired? And she said, no. She says, no, you're not fired. Her name was Teresa, and she was